Hello and welcome back to my videos. In this video I want to speak about the bootstrap-vue and how you can work with the text area in Bootstrap. So it's nothing much to say about. I will just show you the small things and how you can trigger some small built-in functions. So there's nothing much to know about the text area, but I will create a video for you so you understand how simple it will be. Before we are starting to code, I really hope you want to subscribe this channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Did you have any questions? Please make a comments below and I'll try to answer them. And remember, all my code will be found on GitHub and you can find the link in the description. So let's go ahead and code some code. The first step we want to go for will be the default form text area. In this we just bind it for text 1, and we will send it for 3 rows, and we will keep it for max rows for 6. That's meaning when you do this, it's will be the three rows, and when you need more lines, it will be scaling up to 6 rows at the maximum. And that's what we're gonna do now. I can go into the browser and show you how it's working. You can see here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and da. Now you can see it's coming here. So that's the basic using of the text area. And of course we're missing the code here, and text area I'll just put it inside here so you can see what's happening. The next one, it's we can play around with the styles. The styles, just copy this. The styles could be small, medium, large. So let's keep it this way. Size will be small, size MD, and size will be large. I think that's fine here. And again, we just keep it on rows and max rows, so nothing new here. I'm just going back to the browser again and show you what's happening here. Small, medium, large, you can see. So everything here is nice. So this is the normal one. The normal one would be medium, and then you have small and you have large. This depends on your design. Let's going back for the editor again, and this time I will show how you can work with the state. So if you have any kind of validation, like you need to type 100 character in the description, then you can use it. You can use this. I'll just remove small here and add 3 and add the state. And what we're going to do now is just say text 3 length should be more than 10 or more. So that's a pretty simple validation, but it's working. You can see this one. Let's go for the browser and check the validation about it's working. So this is a test. Now it's bringing green and red, and you can see what's happening here. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do, and then you can keep some kind of format. That's the last thing we want to speak about here. You can say something with the formatter. That's meaning when you do something, then the formatter will trigger that, and it could be something like replace something with other stuff. So I'll just show how it's working. I really don't know why you should use it, but let me just say the formatter. Let me just say 4 and number 4 here, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And I do this because I will say the formatter should react to return the lowercase. So value to lowercase, lowercase here. And if I'm going back here, let's check the code in the editor again, and whoa, yes, it should be a function, method, sorry. And then I can see the state still here, and I'll just remove this. So let's try it out again. And you can see now it's a big, but if I do it in space, then everything is lowercase. So when you type, it will convert everything to lowercase. So that's how the format of working. I think you are good to go, and you're ready to use the text area in the Bootstrap view. Thank you so much for having you here today, and I really hope you are learning something new. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can do it in the right corner below, in the right corner. Press on the thing, and then you subscribe. If you have any questions, please make a comment below, and don't forget to like and share this video. And remember, all the source code will be found on my GitHub profile. You can just go down in the description and find the link. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time. Bye.